So you'd like to connect the Meta ads with the actual cloud to make this process really fast. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to consider is to generate the Meta developer credentials. We needed to build a secure access bridge inside the Meta ecosystem. So if you go, for example, into developers.facebook.com, basically this will be leading you directly into the build with us. You wanted to generate the logged in with your business account and click into create an actual app. So I'm going to go for the element that says get started. Inside here I'm going to be using the actual same account that I'm currently using. Then usually what we do in order to continue is to select, for example, the business app type and clear like Cloud Campaigns Manager. So inside here what you can do is to create an actual application and add the marketing API. In this case the name, for example, it will be something clear like, as I just told you, Cloud Campaign, something like that. Go for next, and once inside your application dashboard you wanted to add the marketing API, since you can see directly inside this element. And there, for example, product you configuration list, you can head to the access token generation panel and request a long list system token with the actual permission, which in this case is go for continue, next, and here's the actual overview to generate my actual application. So in my case what I need to do is to make sure that I have signed in really quick. And if you don't have access directly inside there, I want to try to do this once more. And it's going to be a little bit difficult because if you already have Cloud, you might want it to open this into your computer. In this case, what I wanted to do is to go directly into your app storage directory and try to look out directly into Cloud desktop configuration. So, or even, let's say for example I want to make this process really fast. Let's say for example I wanted to connect my Cloud app into my Meta ads, and sometimes it actually gives you the right answer, but in my case the process to make this element much more faster, I saved you a few steps. You already needed to have an actual Meta application already been generated. So as you can see, it said turn on the connected discovery to make the available files already elements. So in my case needs to be out first. We have enabled that. In the meantime, here's what you usually be able to do once connected. It says go ahead, and here for example it says the Supermetric Marketing Analytics has not been correctly connected. In this case it's going to be asking me to go directly into the developer section, so I needed to go to have the sign into the browser different from the one used to the Cloud desktop. So what I need to do is to make sure that I have now access directly inside here. So what I wanted to be doing here is to log out of this time Cloudy and go directly with the same account that I'm currently using in order to make the actual connection. So for this I wanted to head over for connect once again, go for connect here back into the actual currently application, and once with this process has now been successfully done, I'm going to go exactly for the same Gmail account that I'm currently using with the actual Cloud to make this process much more faster. Now I'm going to go for, after connecting, try one of this actual prompt. Let's say for example give me an overview how my marketing is performing right now. Then I'm going to open Meta Ads into an actual new tab to make sure my ads are actually currently working. So let's go for create an actual ad, open the desktop application, and it says the super metrics is best mod connects the element already been connected directly inside there. I can head over directly for the ads manager, and you can see that my ads manager has not been successfully installed it directly inside here. Let's go for I accept, and here it is to my actual Meta Ads account. Currently, for example, I don't have of course absolutely anything yet connected, but still the actual connection between the Meta Ads and my actual currently is actually working really fast. So I have connected Supermetric and want to start pulling the Meta Ads. Yes please. And there we go. So basically what's going to be asking is for a few information about my Meta Ads in order for you to have access into all my actual stuff directly here into the Cloudy application. So as you can see, what would you like to explore for your Meta Ads? For example, let's say campaigns, expansions, and browsers template. Here I copy and I paste that information. Sometimes it might be giving you an accurate answer. In my case, I think it won't, because there's no active Meta Ads campaigns fetched into the Supermetric MCP element. So But basically here's the actual connection already been done, so basically there's nothing else to do there. I'm gonna close this now and my account should be connected right away. So with this being said, guys, we have reached the very end of the video, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools to how we can actually get started with Claude and so much more stuff connected. So thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you guys next time.